Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to log into your Shopify store. So the first step is to simply go to shopify.com and then simply click on login in the top right corner. And then what you have to do is simply enter your email address, or if you want you can use your Apple ID or your Facebook account or your Google account to log into your Shopify store. But I'm going to use my email address. Then simply click on continue, and then you have to enter the password if you choose to connect with your email address, and then simply click on login. Now, as you can see, this store here is inactive. So if you want, you can simply click on it, and then you have to pick a plan, and basically you can reopen it. Or if you want, you can create a brand new store. So you can click on create store and then simply start over again. And here you have to simply enter your details, and then you have to choose your account. But as I said, if you want, you can simply reopen your old Shopify store by simply selecting it, and then you have to simply pick any plans available for you, and then you can start using it. So if you go here to my store, and then you can go to all stores, you can see your active and inactive stores. So this one here is inactive, so you have to simply click on it, and as you can see, you have to simply pick a plan in order to log in to your Shopify store. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.